SpeedGrader has a new user interface in Canvas. This video provides a quick tour of the SpeedGrader for teachers to demonstrate how to navigate the new user interface. Let's start from the dashboard. Click into a course. Go to Grades. And from here, we'll go into SpeedGrader to look at these student submissions. As you can see, I've already graded this one, and this student resubmitted. The pink coloring of these cells indicates that the assignment was submitted late. Let's start here. Click in the corner of the cell, and we'll go to More Details in the SpeedGrader. Here we're seeing the student submission previewed on the page. I can also download it as a Word document from over here. We're not seeing the Crocodoc tools in this version. This is the beta version of the SpeedGrader user interface. But I'll just give you a quick tour to show you how to navigate. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, you're seeing a link back to the gradebook. Next is a button to mute or unmute the assignment. These are keyboard shortcuts to navigate the SpeedGrader. There's a link to the Help menu. Settings for SpeedGrader. You can sort the student list by student name, the date they submitted the assignment, or by submission status. You can also hide student names in the SpeedGrader for anonymous grading, which I've already set in this case. What that means is from this drop down, you'll just see student 1, 2, 3, and 4 rather than the student names. Here in the middle, we're seeing the title of the assignment, and if I click on that link, I go into the assignment where I can change settings. The due date is here. Over here, I'm seeing that I've graded 1 out of 5, and I'm seeing the average is currently 54%, and I'm looking at the second student out of 5 students. In the right-hand corner, this is where, again, I navigate among the students, so I can click and go check out another student's submission, or I can use the forward and the back arrows. We see student number 5 does not have a submission. Here's student number 4's paper. I can see that it was submitted late. Here's the Word document I can download. I can go ahead and enter in some points here, but I attached a rubric, so I'll use that to grade by clicking and then dragging from the middle here to expand the view. And I can click on these cells. So the rubric hasn't changed, it still functions the same. I'm seeing 53 out of 100 points. Save. I did not set this rubric up to automatically plug the grade in, so I'll have to do that manually. And then scrolling down, I can add in comments. I see the student left me a comment here saying, sorry it's late. Here I've typed in a comment for the student, and I must click Submit in order for the student to see this comment. One functionality change here with the new user interface is that if I were to click away from this student before submitting the comment, it wouldn't lose my comment. So let's try it. Let's click to the next student or the previous student, and then go back. And it should have saved our comment. It did save it, but I still need to submit it. And I can click this button or the other Submit button. Are you sure you want to submit? Okay. And so it's accepted my comment here for the student. The new user interface still has the same 3 buttons here: to attach a file, to record a media comment, or to speak into this record tool, and it will transcribe what I've said into text. So let's test it out here. Please take a look at the rubric. And I can edit it here if I like, and submit the comment. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the new user interface for the SpeedGrader.